Hi there and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove the background of any image right on your mobile phone or any device. It can be your computer, your laptop, just any device at all. You don't need to download any software for this. You just have to have internet and go to your web browser. Then you go to the website that helps you to remove the background of your image. So the website is called remove.bg. It's completely free and you can use it to remove the background of your images. So remove.bg. So I'm going to show you how it works. So you type in remove.bg. Once you enter the website, you click on upload image. So with this image, I'm going to use a picture from one of the Ghanaian creators that I know. He does podcast. His podcast is called Connected Minds. So you select the image, then it does its magic, then voila, that's it. We have our image with the background removed. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any ideas of new videos that you want us to be uploading. I'm a new creator on YouTube, so I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next one. I'm a new creator. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next. I'm a new creator on YouTube, so I'm a new creator